Room 1482.
Well, welcome to our room. So you come straight into the kitchen. Looks like we have a rice cooker and a full fridge, full kitchen, so we can cook lots of fun stuff.
Yeah.
Dishwasher. I love the little seating area here.
And just to the right when you walk in is
laundry.
Full washer and dryer.
Yep. And then so there's also the bathroom right over here. Do you want to go in there?
Yeah. All right, so full bath. Let's go around this way.
Okay. So we actually have two balconies. So there's one out to the living room and then one outside of the master bathroom or bedroom as well. So this pulls out, and then this actually pulls down as well. So that'll be for Jennings.
Very cool.
Then, let's see, this is just a little closet.
Okay.
And then we have our bedroom with the cute little Mickey.
Oh, how adorable is that Mickey? All right, is the view cool?
Oh, the view is fantastic. Let's see. I just have to figure out which way this door opens. Watch your step.
Holy cow.
And I bet that, there's going to be a Mickey one there. I bet the one is even better.
That is crazy.
So our bathroom, well, all of our bathrooms, but this is the tub area of the bathroom. So it's kind of nice because we could be separate and one person could be bathing and one person could be showering.
Yeah.
And then I'm definitely going to use this while we're here.
A robe, all right.
Yes, and then we have another closet. There's another robe in there, as well as like a pack and play and stuff. And then you're back to the bathroom.
Which leads us out to the main entrance. All right, shall we grab the kids?
Yes.
All right, come check her out. No, seriously, there's nothing.
Look, so we have a full kitchen. We have a little dining area. Come and check out this view, guys. Oh my gosh. Did we get the top floor? No, I don't know. I can't. like pushing me out of the way. I can't even help.
That's close enough.
Really high floor. You can do that together, Aiden.
You guys see the ocean right there?
Little splash mountain, tiny thing.
Jennings, do you see the ocean right there?
Yeah.
That is cray